Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to get this look from Lady Gaga's music video Disease. This is the bloody nose look from when she is on top of the car. So the first step is to put a light layer of foundation on. This is the Maybelline Dream Radiance Liquid, and I'm just going to put a little bit extra under my eyes because I've got some eye bags. She is tired today. And now I'm going to contour just using my finger and the Revolution Ultra Cream Bronzer in the colour medium. I'm going to kind of map out Gaga's face shape on mine, and then I'm going to blend that all in with the same flat foundation brush that I used to do my foundation, and I'm contouring my nose using a small flat brush by Spectrum. And then I'm going to contour the eye sockets and make a winged shape on my eyes using Oud from the Suprove Nude palette. And over that I'm going to use the bronzest shade from that palette, which is called Vermeer, and I'm going to pack that onto the lid and also up into the brow bone, and I'm going to take it underneath onto the lower lid as well. Then I'm going to use a brown eyeliner in my waterline and create a winged liner using a gunmetal colour. This one's by Maybelline, it's an eye crayon, but the colour I have sharpened off the colour name, unfortunately. And then I'm going to blend that out so that it's very smoky and smudged. I'm going to then just shape up my eyebrows using the e.l.f. brow gel, brushing them in an upwards diagonal direction and then smoothing them out. And heat up my eyelash colour. Make sure you don't burn your lids. I have burnt my lids, it's very painful. And then just curl your eyelashes. Then tight line with Maybelline's tattoo liner, which is way easier to do when your eyelashes are curled because they're lifted. And I'm going to use L'Oreal Telescopic Lash Mascara, both on my lashes and on these little eyelashes that I have cut up from old eyelashes that I have used before, because I am a hoarder and I never throw away eyelashes even though I can't use them again. So this was actually a really good opportunity to use my hoard. And then I just stick them on with some lash glue in like a really janky fashion. You want them to look like they're falling off your eyes. And now I'm going to highlight the high points of my face using the Misha Cushion Foundation, and then I'm going to use the L'Oreal Color Riche in Nude Gold to rub over my lips with my finger, and then I'm going to use the Made by Mario lip liner in Honeysuckle to create a really light lip line. And then I'm going to use some congealed fake blood from Amazon on my right nostril. You need to use the congealed one so it comes up with this dark color. And then I'm going to just finish with some Maybelline fixing spray. And that's it. It's a really easy one today. I actually really love all of these looks. I don't know what it is. It's just so creative to like have some really interesting techniques, but also kind of technically not look good. I just love these looks. I think Sarah Tanno is a genius. That's Lady Gaga's makeup artist, by the way. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned how to get this makeup look from Lady Gaga's Disease. And if you did like the video, please give me a like. Don't forget to stream Disease by Lady Gaga. It's an amazing song. I absolutely love it. And I can't wait to see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.